Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys might be wondering why I'm filming this in the car, because I was always on the go and I want to give you my full long-term review of my first custom keyboard, Keychron K6. I always bring this with me in a case. It is a 65% keyboard. If you haven't checked out my first impression and unboxing video of Keychron K6, do check out. I put the video link in the description. So let's get started. Before we jump to the goods and the best, just want to remind you to hit subscribe if you enjoyed this video. What are the goods? First, connectivity. Wireless can be connected up to 3 devices and you can switch between the device seamlessly. Secondly, adjustable feet for more typing angles. And thirdly, they provide the keycaps for both Mac and Windows, and there are 15 plus RGB effects and battery lasts longer as well. The third reason is build quality, given the price range at $55 without shipping, and this is a hop-swappable keyboard. Here are the bad points. The board does not support QMK or VIA, so you cannot customize or remap the keys. There is no macro and there is no dedicated delete button. The main thing is the acoustic of the keyboard and the stabilizer. The acoustic of the keyboard can be better after modding. The last thing I want to conclude is the competitors. There are many pre-built keyboard within this price range, and I recommend going Echo pre-built and the Degi one. And last but not least, RK61 or 68. If you can and willing to spend a few extra, I do recommend getting the Keychron Q2 or KBD fans. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys.